Trentino. A region that will leave you speechless with its natural beauty and rich culture. Here, in the heart of the Dolomites, you will find majestic mountains, crystal-clear lakes, green valleys, and picturesque mountain towns, all ready to be discovered. Trentino is a region that offers much more than you can imagine, and in this video, we will show you the most incredible places that you absolutely must visit during your stay in this magnificent region. You can immerse yourself in untouched nature, breathe the fresh mountain air, enjoy breathtaking views, but also discover the history, art, and culture of this unique place. Whether you are passionate about hiking, skiing, culture, or gastronomy, Trentino has something special to offer everyone. Are you ready to embark on this journey to discover the most beautiful and fascinating places in Trentino? Before we begin, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it means a lot to us and helps us improve the quality of our content. Here is our top 5 of the most beautiful places to see in Trentino, but beware, we will also visit 4 other fantastic places to say the least. Lake Braies. It is one of the most beautiful lakes in the Dolomites, located in Alta Pusteria, in the province of Bolzano. The lake, also known as Lake Braies, is surrounded by majestic mountains and has crystal-clear waters that reflect the colors of the surrounding landscape, creating a magical and enchanting atmosphere. It is an ideal place for nature lovers, who can enjoy a walk around the lake or a hike on the trails that lead to the surrounding mountains, including Monte Specie and Crotto del Becco. The lake also offers numerous outdoor activities such as canoeing, fishing, cycling, and climbing. During winter, the lake transforms into an attraction for cross-country skiing enthusiasts, with perfectly groomed tracks and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. But Lake Braies is also a place rich in history and culture, with numerous testimonies of the life of the local communities that inhabited it in the past centuries. Here you will find the Museum of the Great War, which tells the story of World War I on the Dolomite front. In summary, Lake Braies is a perfect destination for those seeking an immersive experience in the nature and history of the Dolomites, in an enchanting place that seems to come out of a fairy tale. Val di Fassa. It is a beautiful mountain valley located in the heart of the Italian Dolomites, famous for its untouched nature, rich culture and tradition, and the numerous outdoor activities it offers. The valley consists of 7 municipalities, each with its own personality and attractions, including Canazze, Mona, Compitello di Fassa, and Pozza di Fassa. In winter, Val di Fassa is one of the most famous ski destinations in the Dolomites, with 200 kilometers of perfectly groomed slopes and numerous ski lifts. But the valley is also an ideal destination for cross-country skiing enthusiasts, with over 50 kilometers of trails of all levels. In summer, the valley offers numerous outdoor activities, including hiking, climbing, mountain biking, rafting, and paragliding. Val di Fassa is a true paradise for nature lovers, with breathtaking landscapes that include the Sella Massif, Catenaccio, and Sasso Lungo. In summary, Val di Fassa is a perfect destination for those seeking an authentic and unforgettable experience in the heart of the Dolomites. Riva del Garda. It is a charming town located on the shores of Lake Garda, the largest lake in Italy. Its privileged location between the Prealps Mountains and the lake makes it a very popular tourist destination, so much so that it has been called the Pearl of Garda. The town offers numerous points of interest, such as the tourist port, the Apponale Tower, the Rocca di Riva, the Civic Museum, and the Church of Inviolata. But Riva del Garda is also famous for its beaches, including Sabbioni Beach and Olivi Beach, perfect for sunbathing and taking a refreshing swim. The town is surrounded by numerous mountains and hiking trails, including Monte Brione, which offers a panoramic view of the lake and the town. The town also offers a wide choice of restaurants and nightlife venues, where you can taste the delicacies of the local cuisine and enjoy the lively atmosphere of Garda. Riva del Garda is a perfect tourist destination for those seeking a mix of nature, culture, and entertainment, immersed in the beauty of Lake Garda and the surrounding mountains. Trento. It is a lovely city that perfectly blends tradition and modernity. Located at the foot of the Dolomite Mountains, it is a popular tourist destination for the beauty of its historic center, with the famous Piazza del Duomo and the majestic Buonconsiglio Castle. The city is rich in history and culture, as evidenced by its numerous museums and ancient churches. Among the main attractions are the Museum of Science of Trento, the Tridentine Diocesan Museum, the Church of San Pietro, and the Cathedral of San Vigilio. Trento also offers a wide variety of restaurants and cafes where you can taste dishes of the local tradition accompanied by fine wines. Moreover, the city is an ideal starting point for excursions in the surrounding mountains, both in summer and winter, thanks to its proximity to many of the main tourist destinations in Trentino. In short, Trento is a city not to be missed when visiting Trentino, with its perfect combination of culture, history, natural beauty, and entertainment. Molveno. It is a picturesque mountain resort located in the heart of the Adamello Brenta Natural Park. Its privileged location at the foot of the Brenta Dolomites and the presence of Lake Molveno, one of the most beautiful lakes in Italy, make it an ideal destination for nature lovers, sports enthusiasts, and relaxation. Lake Molveno offers endless opportunities for water sports such as windsurfing, sailing, canoeing, and swimming, but also for relaxing on the beach and enjoying the surrounding landscape. The surrounding mountains, on the other hand, are the perfect place for hiking and outdoor activities such as trekking, climbing, and mountain biking. The historic center of Molveno, with its stone and wood houses, narrow streets, and small squares, is a true jewel of alpine architecture. Here you can discover the tradition and culture of the area, visit ancient churches, and admire the works of local artists. Molveno also offers numerous cultural events and festivals, such as concerts, exhibitions, theater performances, and folklore events, which liven up the village throughout the year. It is a must-visit destination for those seeking a mountain vacation immersed in nature, sports, and culture, in an authentic and welcoming atmosphere. In conclusion, these are just 5 of the most beautiful and suggestive places to visit in Trentino, but the list could go on endlessly. Among other must-see destinations, we have the Castle of Arco, the Stelvio Pass, Rovereto, and Madonna di Campiglio. The Castle of Arco, located in the municipality of Arco, was built in the 12th century and is one of the area's most famous attractions. Characterized by medieval architecture, the castle offers a panoramic view of the surrounding hills and the Alps. The Stelvio Pass is located in the Rhaetian Alps and is one of the highest in Europe. Crossed by the State Road 38, the Stelvio Pass offers breathtaking landscapes and numerous outdoor activities such as cycling and skiing. Rovereto is situated in the Adige Valley. It is a historic city rich in culture and art. Among its main attractions are the Mart Museum, the War Museum, and the Bell of the Fallen, the world's largest cast bronze bell. Madonna di Campiglio, finally, is a ski resort located in the Rendina Valley, between the Brenta Dolomites and the Adamello. Known for its high-quality ski slopes and the beauty of the surrounding mountain landscape, Madonna di Campiglio is an ideal destination for sports and nature lovers. In short, Trentino is a land full of natural and cultural wonders to discover, and each place encapsulates its own history and unique charm. All that remains is to embark on the discovery of these treasures and be enchanted by the beauty of this extraordinary region. For now, our journey ends here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to us. Follow us in the upcoming videos to discover many more charming and exciting destinations.